Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Johnson, and this is my MIT 805 Spring 2019 intro video. What do? I'm a video production teacher. I have a career technical education credential in arts, media, and entertainment. I teach video production 1, 2, and 3, as well as screenwriting as literature. My goals for this class is to continue my good start on my master's program and find more innovative ways to communicate information to students. I've actually used already a lot of the stuff that I've learned, so that's kind of awesome. Technology strengths: I'm pretty good with technology. I'm a quick learner. However, sometimes I can get frustrated with technology, especially when I believe there could be easier ways for the program to do something. Sometimes I feel hampered at times by the limitations of any given program, and I really don't like social media. Interest in information technology. I chose information technology because I already try to incorporate technology into the class even when I don't have to. Even though I teach technology classes in a way, I still like to incorporate technology as much as possible. So I can help improve the learning, make it easier to do what's necessary, and my hope is that it'll aid students to be 21st century learners. What do I want to get out of the master's degree? There's so much out there that is new and innovative and could improve my classroom, but I'm often lost at finding this technology because the amount of tools out there is just so many. And even then, it's hard to know what actually works best. I hope that with this degree, I can bring new ideas into my classroom to help improve student learning. Now, some tips on staying focused here. I feel like I'm having kind of a rough beginning to this 8 weeks because I came off a really rough 8 weeks. Educational research in 7 weeks is brutal, by the way. That's MIT803. It's also the end of the school year, so grades are going to be due. A lot of big projects are coming up. I also have 2 kids and a wife who's also a full-time teacher. And there's no support whatsoever from any family or friends because we don't have many out here. So and most of our family lives several thousand miles away. So, however, my solution is to remember why I'm doing this, and it's not only to do it for myself and the pride I have in myself, but also for my students and also for my family. And so, as long as I can remember those things, I think I'll be okay. All right, thank you very much.